Welcome to the weekly Roundup report at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. This morning we are at the Roswell location. Let's go see what we got going on. Peter, what's up with this Cadillac here?
Oh, this Cadillac came in with a bunch of problems with the cooling fan staying on. And after we check in data, there's no command from the PCM turning the fans on. Pull the relays out and the fan's still running. So we hunted down that ghost and found out it was a shorted TIPM, which is the fuse box in the engine bay. So we ordered one and we're gonna do a complete retest once we're done.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much. What you got going on, Caesar?
Yeah. The car is the broke his gasket. I need to put out the head. It's big job. I need to replace the turbo lines, everything, timing chain, thermostat. It's a big job. Very big job.
Very big job. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining us today for the weekly Roundup in Roswell. We'll see you next time.